If you have a visa appointment coming up, or you have booked your visa appointment and it's far in the future, maybe 2 months in the future, right? And you want to reschedule it to a closer date, well, in this video today, I will be sharing with you step by step how you can reschedule your US visa appointment. So with that said, let's get right into it. Alright, so to get started guys, you want to go to the same website that you used to schedule your appointment. You're going to log in. Here on the home screen, you can see a summary of your appointment. So my current appointment date is February 23rd, 2024. Now select continue. Then you want to select the option that says reschedule appointment. Then once you do that, select reschedule appointment. Select your consular or embassy. Then select the appointment date. Right, so yesterday when I checked this, I saw 2 dates. They're all gone. Now let's check November and December. All gone. Right, so we are seeing some date for December. So if you wanted to reschedule to say December the 5th, then you select December the 5th. Time of appointment, there is only one time available, which is 7 a.m. And then you will select reschedule. Dates will become available as individuals reschedule their appointment, right? So you have to constantly check to see if there are new dates available. So like yesterday when I look at the site, there were 2 available in September. So if I wanted an earlier date, I would have grabbed one of those dates, right? But I'm just giving you a demonstration of how you can achieve this. So I'm not going to actually reschedule an appointment now, right? So you have to constantly check. There's no specific time when you need to check. Just constantly check to see when there are available dates. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.